Madison is over there working on taking some soil samples that are going to be sent off down to one of our Erdic labs in Vicksburg. And those are going to be looked at for a lot of physical characteristics, for a lot of characteristics of what's going on with different parts of soil chemistry. And these samples that I'm taking are small cores that are going to be analyzed for DNA and sequenced to find out what the microbiome of the soils looks like here as well. So we're going to take all that data, plus the data that we collected about the trees, the plants, everything else in here, and see if we can correlate how all that works together